Would you be interested in an office-based sales consultant job with no cold calling for a fantastic company? We have a new, amazing opportunity to recruit multiple sales consultants in the Swindon and Brighton areas. These sales consultant positions will see you calling existing customers and policyholders to discuss their current products, providing you with a perfect opportunity to identify further products that they could be interested in and ultimately make those sales. This is an employed position with a salary of £21,000 for Swindon and then £23,000 for Brighton. Plus, there is uncapped commission directly based on your performance, on average earning you £250 per month, with the top performers in this firm earning around £1,000 in bonus per month. There are other company benefits, which include 3 days per year to give back to your local community by volunteering, alongside a further 25 days plus bank holidays, with the opportunity to buy an extra 5 days holiday on top. Our client is an award-winning financial services company who prides itself on providing products that help families understand modern finance. Our client also promotes inclusion in their team and highly celebrates their diverse team. For this role, we are looking for individuals who enjoy helping people, are comfortable speaking over the phone, and are ambitious. We are looking for confident people who are self-motivated and want to learn and progress within the role. If you would like any further details regarding this role, please drop me a message or give me a call on 0208 00 44154 or email applications@premierjobsuk.com.